Hello, today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Happy Earth Day! We're going to get right into our lesson today by getting our materials out. You'll need a piece of paper and then either markers or crowns, whichever that you have available to you at home. Let's go ahead and begin with reading our objectives. Say, I can draw and write a sentence about how I can help protect the earth. So since today's Earth Day, I thought it would be fun to do an Earth Day lesson. So we are going to begin with a Jack Hartman video that will teach us a little bit about Earth Day and what exactly is recycling. I know we do recycling in the classroom, but we haven't talked about it too much. I want you to follow along to the video and learn more.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs, make your brain and body strong. Recycle every day. Just a little goes a long way. Recycle every day. Just a little goes a long way. Recycle paper, cardboard, glass. Recycle plastic bottles, aluminum cans. Recycle newspapers and magazines. You can do it. Recycle every day. Recycle every day. Just a little goes a long way. Recycle every day. Just a little goes a long way. Recycle paper, cardboard, glass. Recycle plastic bottles, aluminum cans. Recycle newspapers and magazines. You can do it. Recycle every day. Recycle every day. Just a little goes a long way. Recycle every day. Just a little goes a long way. If you like this.
So boys and girls, at school we've recycled our milk cartons and our orange juice boxes. But now that you're home more, maybe you can start recycling at home if you don't. At my house, instead of throwing our plastic bags from the grocery store in the trash, we collect them all together and recycle them so that they can be turned into something else and not just go to a big pile of trash. Maybe if you do this at home or recycle other materials, let me know. So today, boys and girls, is Earth Day. We celebrate Earth Day to reflect on ways we can better protect our planet. Let's read a story to learn more about what we can do today and every day.
Welcome to BB Story Time. Do you want to read this book with me? Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more. The Earth Book by Todd Parr. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees and I want the owls to have a place to live. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because I love the fish, and I want the oceans to stay blue. I take the school bus and ride my bike because I love the stars, and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow, and I want there to be enough food for everyone. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowman to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Love, Todd.
So that book taught us that we don't have to do a whole lot of big things. Instead, every single one of us can do little things to help take care of the earth, like turn the lights off when you leave a room, or turn the water off when you're brushing your teeth, or maybe you can plant a seed, or maybe instead of throwing away your paper, you recycle it. So try some of these small different tasks to help take care of the earth. But before our lesson is over, I want us to do a directed drawing. So get out your paper, your markers, or your crayons, and get ready to draw the earth with me. We're going to draw planet Earth. So first you need a black marker or crayon, a piece of paper, and then I'm using a blue marker for water and a green marker for land. If you don't have markers, just use your crayons. So we're going to start at the top, and we're going to just make a big circle in the middle of our paper. Okay, good job. Now our earth is going to have some eyes, so we're going to draw a circle here and a circle here. And inside this circle, we're going to draw 2 more circles. One a little bit bigger than the other. Good. And now we're going to draw a little crescent. And now in our eye, we're going to just color all around, but not inside our circles. And then we'll do the same on the other eye. Okay, and down here in our little white spot, we're going to just draw a couple lines. Very good. And now our earth is happy, so we're going to give our earth a little smile. Good job, boys and girls. And our earth, we want to give him some hands. So I'm going to start here, draw a little half circle. And on the other side, draw a little half circle. And then I'm going to pretend this is his arm and bring it out. Same with this side. Stop right about here and draw a heart. These are his hands. Good job. And now we're going to give our planet Earth some land. So you don't have to do exactly as I do, but we're just going to draw some little squiggly lines to show our land. Very good, boys and girls. So, since these spots here are land, what color will they be? Good job. They're going to be green. We're going to use our green marker or crown to color these spots in. Try your best to stay in the line. Remember, today we're celebrating Earth Day because it's an important day to remember to take care of our planet not just today but every day. And from our story that we read, we learned different ways to take care of planet Earth, such as turning the water off when we're brushing our teeth, turning lights off when we're not in the room, not throwing our trash out the window, what ways are you going to protect the Earth today? I like how hard you boys and girls are working right now. Keep up the good work. Okay, now that I've colored all my land, I'm going to color the water. So using your blue crown or marker, the rest of the white spots will be blue. We'll take our time to not scribble scrabble. Pretty much done now. And then we're going to write a sentence together. So, at the bottom of our earth, we're going to write, I can save A. Since that A said A and not A, what's there, boys and girls? Good job! A silent E. I can save the, we know that word, the earth. I'll spell this for us. E-A-R-T-H. I can save the earth by, and you finish the sentence. So anything that you learned about today in our book or in our video, how are you going to save planet Earth? I'm going to think about mine. I can save the earth by, I think I'm going to say planting a tree. By planting a tree. That's tricky, 2 E's. I can save the earth by planting a tree. And at the end of your sentence, you need your period. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, once you're done writing your sentence to talk about how you're saving planet Earth, I would like for you to take a picture of it and send it to me on Class Dojo, Parent Square, or text message. Have a great rest of your Earth Day. Bye!